Who said Africa doesn't have water?
Lagos State is floating. Flooded. Almost submerged. And this should be a heavy concern. But the likes of Bayo Bilisi is busy dragging Uzo out because of Owambe, Owambe. Who caused Africans, and Nigeria in particular, that we will never get serious in this life? I mean, Lagos is currently flooded, and somebody is still busy dragging Owambe, suing somebody because of Owambe. Of course, you see, vehicles almost carried by the river. Someone said it's because they are going to Owambe and not Owambe. But it's insane. It's amazing that we leave relevant things and continue dragging irrelevant things. The country is sinking and Lagosians are concerned about Owambe. Lagos is flooded, but their main concern is Owambe. Owambe in 2025, when the entire world is busy advancing. We are the poverty capital of the whole world, with one of the most corrupt presidents. But our concern is Owambe. We're not just serious and ready as a people, but let's just continue with our Owambe till the day we decide to get serious. Meanwhile, enjoy the view.
Oh, Jesus.
Who said Africa doesn't have water? Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma'am.
So we are outside. We are live from Lekki, and this is our life.
Yeah, the big boys life in Lekki.
The big boys' life in Lekki. This is us just going to the supermarket to buy drink. Even inside supermarket, there's water. This is crazy. Good evening. Omo, what be this? Ah. Hello.
Oh, the struggle. The suffer is real.